JSC against the missing of Laishram Kamal Babu has demanded the government to produce Kamal Babu safe and sound by November 29. It may be mentioned that whereabouts of Kamal Babu have remained unknown after he went missing since November 25 from 57 Mountain Division Complex, Leimakhong. JSC member Lorembam Anita stated that a writ petition has been submitted to the High Court of Manipur in connection with the missing of Kamal Babu. The writ petition has been admitted by Chief Justice of Manipur's Division Bench and Justice Gaifushilu Golmai after hearing motion. Notice has been issued to State of Manipur as respondent and Union of India to respond by November 29. She stated that the JSC has banned entry of MES staff to army camp and want to launch intense agitation along with the CAs of Manipur if the demands are not fulfilled.
Nahan date 25 hariba numit asida thabak suba MS ki thabak toba contractor oiba masa akoigi army headquarter da thabak suba gi mai duty on duty chat kharaga yumda halaktabadagi akoina paw longna jabada habadi ma gi mara pai ki ba phone do mung manung na phone tawnaraga ma che halaktri si kari maram gi no na phone je tawna ba matamda masa se phone je switch off leirakpadagi paw phangna ba phangkhidare paw phangna ba phangkhidabaduna maram oirakanda 57 mountain division da akoina haijaruba matamda ma chi mafam rang khangdana mangi si karmai tawdana mangi bano yumda halaktre haibna akoina makoida paw pijaba matamda makoina hoji akoi kano tawri thiri hai aduga ngasi bawda langlang jina mata puthokpa ngamdana leiri si kari gi non haiba matamda moige wari sanaje haidana akoi gi minute khara su sangaga wari du sanajari wari sanajaruba matamda makoina yam laina akoi karimta ngamdre responsibility lawba ngamaroi risk lawba ju ngamaroi noina tawningba tawro noina lambi thingi do tawkhai gi su tawkhai ro ka haibigi kaino ama khoida changba mi jing ji da hairakpa thabak suba changba mi ji mkhoi gi ayaba permission yaur matungna moina protection pigani hairaga hujiki mangi ba myoi china ahan basu te mamang du jo kaino tawdana phadana pundana tawbadagi akoi rescue tawbadi nanghawi uchina sina akoi laibak phabadagi adubu handaki matang ji dadi akoi rescue tawbagi timing je kitang thengba haigadra paw phangbu kitang thengmanbadagi akoi nangbagi tanja do khoida lehaudre aduna maram orakanda hujikse akoina 57 mountain division da akoina thamjari ba wafam si mangi ba myoi si athuba matamda date 29 gi manungda sinabiyo